guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. Wait a minute, if you're watching me or seeing this face for the first time or coming across my YouTube channel. Well, hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm a Singapore-based Tamil beauty blogger and I usually create a lot of content that revolves around makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews and sometimes lifestyle created content. And if this is your cup of tea, then perhaps please do not forget to consider subscribing to my channel. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down here that says subscribe, and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified every time I have new video uploads. Into this video is going to be a product review and I am going to be talking to you about my feelings and thoughts about the Nykaa's Black Magic Gel Liner. If you're keen on getting your hands on this Nykaa's Black Magic Gel Liner and if you'd like to know what I think about it, then please keep on watching. Gel liner has been around in the market for quite a while now. One thing good about this product from Nykaa is that, as you know, Nykaa is a brand that does not test on animals, which is a huge plus. If you're someone who is on the route towards going for products that are not tested on animals, you would be really pleasantly surprised that Nykaa is a brand that does not test on animals, and this product has been dermatologically tested. And I believe it's also paraben free. Nothing new about the packaging. Most gel liners, they come in a glass pot and usually they contain about 5 grams or lesser. This contains 3.5 grams of its black magic gel, and it also comes with a silicone brush that looks like this, and this is how they look together. I believe they also come with a very affordable price tag for this gel liner. There are 6 unique claims on this black magic gel liner. The 3 off the top of my head that I could remember, it's supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof, and it's supposed to be lasting for at least a minimum of 12 hours. If I'm not wrong, it's supposed to be consisting of a very gel-based creamy formula. It's supposed to be quick drying and it offers you a high intensity black pigment, and I feel like I would be able to vouch for at least 5 out of those 6 claims, only because I feel like I've never actually wore this product for as long as 12 hours. I would say that I've tested the Black Magic Gel Liner for about a regular workday amount of time. I would say about 9 to 6, and definitely there has never been a situation where I've noticed this to be moving around my eyelids. And mind you, I have an oily skin complexion and I do have a little bit of oil seeping through my eyelids, but with this I have noticed that it did not move about. If you're someone who have very excessively oily eyelids, definitely if you would like to try this product out, it has not smudged on me, but perhaps on you, just to have a little bit of security, just so that it doesn't move around. You can always set this gel liner down with a black eyeshadow just on top. If you ask me, I wouldn't say that I think it moves. On me, it is budge proof. The only setback is that out of the 6 claims, it is quite quick drying. So if you're going to be someone who has a lot of time and very elaborative type of artwork that you like to do on your eyelids, you have to move really quickly with this, especially if you're someone who wants to deliver or achieve a very smoky eye look with this, then you have to move in really quickly. It's not the type of like a very runny liquidy consistency. It is very much like a gel creamy formula, but once you put it on and you just have a couple of seconds before it starts settling into your eyelids and it doesn't move, and that's one cool thing about that. And you know, you don't really have to faff around with it. I have noticed that the silicone brush is quite handy for me. This combo on its own, it is pretty much travel friendly. I don't need to have or pack an extra brush with it. I just drop the 2 of this into my makeup bag and I'm good to go. I've also tried to use this onto my tight lining. It does work, but because I have a little bit of sensitivity, I usually like to blink my eyes. I feel like in that circumstance, I do feel like it moves a little bit just because I'm batting my eyelids and there's a little bit of transfer. Other than that, I feel like this product is such a win. Nykaa is widely available in India, so anyone who's residing in India, you would like to get your hands on a very good gel creamy eyeliner, then this will be your best bet. There's a variety of looks that you can create with this gel creamy formula, be it your regular classic liner, or you can do a flick with this, and you can also do a little bit of artwork if you're very quick with your hands, and you can just like and then you're set. Overall, I would definitely give this product a 5 out of 5. It's an outstanding product from India. I absolutely love it. The Nykaa Black Magic Gel Liner retails for 575 rupees, and that's definitely under the 600 rupees mark, and it's really affordable. It's such a friendly price tag, and a little bit goes a long way. That's really getting a lot of worth for your money. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this Nykaa's Black Magic Gel Liner review from me. And if you think you know of someone who might benefit from this review video, then don't forget to share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp, wherever that's possible, and get them to support me on my YouTube journey. And if you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it. And until then, be safe, stay responsible, and remember to wash your hands, and I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye!